Hey guys, this is Elias from Planes and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we will build a small hill as an add-on scenery to my model airport Halifax Stanfield International in scale over 400. So the material I will use is clay. This kind of clay you will find it almost everywhere, to hardware stores, to art stores, model stores, almost everywhere. So let's get started. So guys, I will start to roll out the clay in the size that I need. It's not so easy as I thought, but I believe the result will be awesome. Now guys, I'm testing about the size, about the height, and about the position that I want that hill. I like it. So as you can see, I put some plastic cups around here is to hold the clay, to give the height that I want and the shape. So guys, to continue the construction of the small hill to my model airport, I will use wood glue. It is a water-based glue also. It is more sticky than the usual hobby glues. I prefer that. It is €5.70 here in Greece. I'm not advertising the company, I'm just saying that this amount is cost almost €6. So Mother Nature is not one color, so I will use 3 colors. For primer, if you want to say, for the base, it's this kind of green that I already have in my airport. Light green, as you can see here, and light earth. So the light earth, it goes around here, in the spots that the sun can't reach the real mountains. So I will try to make it as realistic as possible. It hasn't to be perfect, okay? It is a diorama. So experiment with this kind of materials first, and then apply them in your diorama. So let's see how things will go with this kind of material. So a small amount always. I will start here from the top. Easy, be patient with that. As you can see, we already have some cracks, the clay. I will fill the gaps with the glue. Nice and easy. Don't rush. So I will apply the glue where the first color it will be. It will be the light earth, as you can see here. So the spots I want light earth, I will apply the glue. And be patient with this kind of materials. Spread it, don't afraid, and cover the whole glue, the whole area that you press it with the brush. So I will continue to apply glue to the rest of the small hill or mountain, if you want to call it. I will spread it very nicely, like that, all over the hill. So guys, almost the final result is that. As you can see, I dressed it with trees, with bushes. I'm trying to cover all the cracks of the clay from the last night. So I will use sponge bushes. They are very easy. I'm using hot glue. It is the fastest way. And I just put it right here and the cracks disappear. The final result is that you can see. The result is perfect in my eyes. I've managed to cover all the cracks with some bushes, trees, as you can see. It is very realistic, it suits perfect with the environment around here. Although the Halifax Stanfield International doesn't have any mountains around it, it is flat. In my world, Halifax Stanfield has everything I want. So, to prevent any bad comments. So, I like it, it suits perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video, I hope it was useful. So stay tuned for unboxing reviews, live model airport updates from my Halifax and my home island airport, Anavolatu, Lima Golf, Kilo Foxtrot, based in Kefalinia, Greece. And until the next time guys, bye!